You guys should know that I'm a summer hater. I hate summer. I hate being hot. I hate sweating. And it seems like it's always too hot to be cute. Why did you just buy 20 tank tops? We'll get to that. I was actually super self-conscious about my armpits. We get really bad ingrown hairs. Like, my armpits were dark and they were scarred. Why don't you have any clothes to wear? Then I did laser hair removal. Situation got better. Now I have a bunch of tank tops. I don't really plan to have a summer wardrobe like I do for fall, winter, but I do want like a tight rotation of really good staples. So disclaimer, I do work at Aritzia, so all these items I did purchase with my own money. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is Aritzia contour. I love their contour collection. I'll start with the tube tops. This is in the color matte pearl. These do not slip down, so you don't have to worry about that. I get this in the size small. Really good, very minimal, wear it with jeans, wear it with whatever. And also this pretty orange. I'm gonna put the name of this color on screen, but I love these. These really snatch you. They're so comfortable to wear. Another thing that I really like about the contour is that it's double line, so you can wear it with or without a bra. It's really up to you. Usually I don't wear mine with a bra. Next, I have the contour halter tops. This one's called Grace. It has the spaghetti ties to it. They sold out within like a week. And they didn't come back in stock until, I don't know if it was August or like the end of July. Black and white, staple, rich mocha brown, super cute. Flashing red, which honestly, this color looks good on anybody. The Contour Optimum halter top. It has a thicker strap to it in comparison to the Grace halter top. Gives it a slightly more elevated look. The spaghetti strap seems to be like more casual, but honestly, you could dress them up, dress them down. Chef's kiss. I went crazy with the contour camis. These just look so sleek on. The perfect cut and they just look so flat. It's the perfect cami. Hello, Dream House Pink. Guys, look at this color. I also got it in dark olive. This looks really good on too. A little bit in between sizes with the contour camis. I just ordered 4 more in the full length cami. These are the waist length. I have a short torso, so they kind of like just cut me. They kind of just hit me like right at the end of my torso. I really love the waist length one. I got the waist length in black and white also, and then I got the full length black, white, and then this burgundy color, which is called Cordovan. So I wear like a small, medium size 6 in tops. In the contour camis or in any of the contour tops, I can wear either a small, extra small, depending on the cut. For camis, the waist length ones, I decided to go with smaller, extra small. These I can kind of get away with whatever size is available, and I will literally buy whichever size is available. For the full length one, because I have a shorter torso, the small leans a little bit too much material, so I like to size down to an extra small in it. It's still breathable in the bust area. It's still breathable in the stomach. It's not super tight to where it's uncomfortable or I can't breathe. It's just more snatched. So more with the contour. I love the muscle tees. I had these from maybe like 3 or 4 years ago, so they got a little dingy. I had to get new, crisp, fresh white ones just to have on rotation so I don't wear one of them to death. When I was working corporate, I would wear those with like blazers. They're good to layer. Element tube top, cream, and it has pinstripe on it. It's in the James stripe, which I think is a limited. I really love the Element tube top, whatever color you decide to get. It's a really classic top. You could dress it up, dress it down. It just looks really good. I also have the Posh tube top, which I think is in the other room. It's a crepette material. It's the same material as the Effortless and Limitless pants, which makes it super seamless when you pair them together or with the shorts in the same crepette material. That's like my favorite tube top. Anybody that I style it in, they get it. They get it. It's a good tube top. This little top I got in the fall time, I think. This is by 10. And I got it in the size 6. I usually wear a size 6 in Aritzia anyway. This is the Hypnotized top. A really good top to dress up, dress down. You could wear this with jeans. You could wear this with a pair of trousers. You could wear it with a skirt or a pair of pants, which I took out of this line. If you have a pair of cream or black satin pants, you can absolutely wear this. A little, either a kitten heel, a pointed toe heel, or a square toe heel. Everyday tank tops, and these are so good. A lot of these I size down in, and I have different lengths. For the waist length, I should have just gotten the small, but I didn't feel like going back to exchange them. But the full length ones, I definitely sized down to an extra small in that. I did classic white. This is the Heather Cloud white color. If you can tell, this is the lighter of the 2 gray options that they have. So the darker gray is going to be the Heather Chrome. I went with the Heather Cloud white because in my mind it's for the summertime and you're definitely going to see more sweat marks with the heather chrome. So I went with the lighter gray. It's still gray and it's also like not white. You see what I'm saying? It's like the perfect in between and it's still a gray tank top. Worn this as well, the striped one. I love this. Look at this stripe. I've worn this with like a pair of cargo pants already. I'll link it too. This is already on my shop my for you guys. The olive green. I think this one's called GD olive green, or it might just be dark olive. One of them. Duh for the olive green. This one's in the heather admiral. If you could see, it's kind of like a heather gray, but it's in navy blue. You have to have black. I love me a good halter top. These are the TNA ones. These are a more cotton material. Line that's going across in like a curve. I think that's super flattering on. So I went ahead and got it in navy and I got it in black because why not? I've been liking navy a lot more recently. So we're making sure we have that neutral color in the arsenal. I actually got this to wear with a pair of the Aritzia Thesis pants, but the ones that look like a sporty jogger. I just need a sandal to wear with it, like preferably a white one, and I haven't found one yet, so I haven't worn the combo together yet. But I have worn this with like a pair of cargo pants, super cute, a very versatile piece. I would say that you're good to size down in this. This is already an extra small, but I even think that I could do a double extra small in this because it is a stretchy material. I don't want to say like it runs big or oversized. I think just because it's knit, it's cut a little bit different. A couple pieces that I think are still at the tailor because tailoring matters. I'm 5 foot, so usually I have to hem a lot of my pants anyway. This is a cotton skirt. It's TNA as well. It has shorts under. I personally don't like, I'm not the biggest fan of skirts and you see the shorts in the back. I'd rather it be like a full skirt with shorts underneath. That's my vibe, and that's what this is. I've already worn this. So cute. I think it was like 90 degrees the day that I wore this. I'll insert a pic here. But I wore it with this and then the TNA, this black halter top. It was so cute together in a pair of sandals. It's comfortable. It was breathable. It was the perfect summer outfit. So simple, yet it gave. Another skirt. This is in the crepette material. This is called the Daphne skirt. I actually sized up in this to a size 8. It gave me like a little bit more length in the back, but I think I might just get it tailored to fit me. I also think like the shorts underneath were more comfortable and the size up. That might just be me because I feel like anybody else who tried it on, they got their true size. But I love this. Aritzia is having a time with mini skirt. If you see a mini skirt that you like from Aritzia, get it. Well, me personally, I feel like it's hard to find like a good mini skirt, mini skirt, and Aritzia is having its season. I'm trying to get more myself because yeah, they're cut the right way. Like the material that they use, it falls on the body so well. Stock up. Pants to this are the Lodge linen pant, which is currently at the tailors. I will insert how they look on and how long they are on me. I did size up to a large. Depending on the pant, if I want to feel a little bit more comfortable, I will size up to an 8. I size up to a large. For the medium, for me in the Lodge linen pant, whenever I would walk, it's like I was way too conscious of my pants. They weren't tight on my thighs, but I felt it. And I didn't like that. So I sized up so then they could fall better on me, which I love. The matching top for this is a little bit oversized, and I got it in the extra small in this, but I know summer's over. I didn't even get a chance to wear it. I love this set. I love the Lodge linen pants. I would have gotten more colors in it. The Rich Mocha Brown's gorgeous. The white, oh wait. I do have a white linen pant. Those are at the tailor also. It's so cute. It came with these ties on the side. Like, it gives the illusion like you're wearing a bikini under, but it's not. It's like, it's literally the drawstring of the pant on both sides instead of the front. So cute. I did record it. So, like, if it's playing here, those are the pants. Those are at the tailor as well. I think I got a medium in those. The attire vest. I have this in 2 colors in cold gray. I actually got this one tailored. The size down to a 4. I usually wear a 6 on the top. 34C. It's because I have a short torso. The shoulder area would kind of sit up and it wouldn't fit my shoulders. So I got this tailored. I got it pulled a little bit tighter because I have it in light birch too. So that one fits the original way, and it looks like this. And then this is how the cold gray looks after it got tailored, which is just like a better fit. Tailoring is important. Don't think of it as like a waste of money, because no matter where you get clothes from, clothes are tailored for the masses. They're not tailored for individual bodies. Not every store has petite, and then not every store has the good pieces that I want in petite. So what am I gonna do? Like, not buy the pants that I like? No, I'm gonna get the pants and I'm gonna get them tailored so they're not as long. And then now I'm fly. You see how that works? I know y'all been seeing this Villa Pink in the bag. I made sure that I got the Villa Pink. Listen, I'm not a pink girl. I don't know what it is. I've been like, you know what? You know what it is? I like the way pink looks on me. This set looks really good on me. Boyfriend boxy. And for the zip up, I always size down in this. And it's still not too tight. So this is a double extra small. Remember, I wear a size 6. It's not even fitted. So don't think it being a double extra small that is going to be tight. You still, look at the arm. You still have room in the arm. You still have room in the waist. I want it to be baggy on the bottom, a little fitted on top. That's what I was going for. That's usually what I go for when I get the boyfriend boxy zip up. And I have the same one in Heather Chrome from like 5 years ago. That's a double extra small as well. For the bottoms with this set, I went with the mega straight sweatpants. I'm personally kind of over the cargo sweatpants. So I just want like a classic sweatpant. I have enough cargo sweatpants. I think I have 3. I don't need any more. And like the third pair that I got, that was by accident. We could talk about that another time. The ones that I bought intentionally was the Heather Chrome and this mustard color that I forgot what it's called, but that was from, both of them are from like years ago. So I also got the Rich Mocha Brown and the mega straight sweatpants as well. Like, I think from now on, I'm gonna just be buying the mega straights. That's just me. That's just me, and that's just what I like right now. This year was also about finding the most perfect denim shorts. Denim Forum, ex-boyfriend shorts. This one's the mid-thigh. 4 pairs of these now. I don't care. I had only 1 pair of denim shorts prior to this, and now I have shorts for summer. I have 4 of them. 2 of them I still have to pick up from the store. Also, I put all my clients in these. They love them. Some people are like mid-thigh. I don't know. But one thing that I do notice is if you do have thicker thighs like me, it's not like a true mid-thigh. It kind of comes up a little bit, the perfect in between, and they do not pancake your booty. This lighter wash, a more slightly more medium wash, if you can tell. They stretch a little bit while you're wearing them. A comfortable denim short. Okay, so now when I first bought these, I bought 2 pairs and then they sold out. I know it's the end of August. I just bought me 2 more pairs just so that I'm set for next year. That's how I shop. That's how I shop. Just for sizing reference, I usually wear like a 28 in jeans. I size down to a 27 in these because of the way that they stretch. So the 28 is a little bit too roomy. Once it stretches out, you can wear them for 5 minutes. You'll feel them, get more relaxed. 27, perfect. I honestly think it's really hard to find a good pair of denim shorts. These are it. Linen sets are the living moments. You heard me talk about this one. Also, this sale cotton set is so good too. I primarily like this personally for the beach because it is more casual. It's more casual than this. This is like more like an elevated everyday linen set. If you want an outfit that's also linen, this is a good set with the Lodge pant. I'm only buying this set to wear it to the beach. Truly would have gotten so much more linen this summer. It was giving a live-in linen summer, and I would have gotten more colors in this stuff. Between these linen sets and the denim shorts, like, that's what I plan to be living in during the summer. This is in the Villa Pink too. So look of the material. It's very comfy. I already wore this to the beach once. Bottoms in a size medium. And then the top, I think I did a double extra small. It also runs a little bit big. This is from Jaded London. I got this a while ago. They had a pop-up. I don't know when that pop-up was, but my toxic trait is that I don't wear anything until I film it. I'ma just keep it at that. So cute. I'm into jerseys right now, so I bought this little jersey from the pop-up. That's the only thing I got from the pop-up. So now I'm gonna finally be able to wear this. You guys know the whole like pajama bottom trend, even though like these are pants. So this is from Pacsun, And I got these a little while ago too. That was a little trend. We tried the trend. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing them. I don't know. I don't know what it's giving. Like, these might just end up as pajama pants. That's fine because I need more pajamas anyway. You guys know I love Bandy the Pink. I post them all the time on Instagram. I have a lot of pieces or a lot of outfits where I'm wearing something that's Bandy the Pink. It's more of like I guess like a soccer jersey. I think, I don't know. I don't watch sports. And it looks a little bit more masculine on me, so I don't personally like how it looks on me. I will be selling this. If you would like this jersey, you could DM me. Just DM me. And if I don't see a DM, drop me a comment under something on Instagram or TikTok. Like, I'll see it. The last thing, this is from Gap. I think I got this during Black Friday. This hot pink, hold on. Because, like, it's getting to a point, I have too many hoodies. It's not the one that says Gap on it. I thought it would. But, hello, this color on me. And it's a really soft cotton, too. The amount of hoodies that I have is getting ridiculous. One thing about me, I'm going to be cozy in the fall winter time. That would have been perfect for spring had I worn it in the spring. This is a gallery top from Aritzia as well. I love this because you can kind of like just play around with the neckline, or you could wear it more like a mock neck situation. I think that's everything. Let me know down in the comments which pieces were your fave, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.